Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Seah, Asia #1 home-based business coach, and the title of this video is Success Made Easy for You. But before I go into this video, I just want to take a minute of prayer for peace for the people in Ukraine and Russia, and the people in Israel and Palestine. And I want to pray for the world leaders to have love, wisdom, and integrity to do the right thing, and to have the people's best interest at heart, and come to a peaceful agreement, because war is lose-lose. Both sides suffer greatly. Peaceful agreement is win-win, right? So both sides wins. And this video is for those who are struggling, right? All of us have gone through struggles. I have my own fair share of struggles, and that is why I'm able to do it, because I have simple mind. So it's important if you keep it simple, and my forte is keeping it simple. So this video is Success Made Easy for You. So it's never the price, it's always the value. So you attend the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar, and this 2-day seminar is worth 100,000 to $1 million or more. Could be worth $1 million to you. But why I say 100,000? Because I've invested over 100,000 in the gold mine between my years, and it could be worth $1 million to you, because 50% of the seminar you learn how to earn your first million in network marketing. It'll be generic, proven success principles. I won't be promoting any particular company. After you finish the 2-day, you can choose which company you want to join. There are top 100 MLM companies, 100 network marketing companies. But because you have attended my 2-day seminar, you'll be able to know which company to choose, what are the criteria. Then the other 50% will be $1 million lessons on business and life that I've invested over 100,000 to learn, and over 10,000 to learn digital marketing. So I put my money where my mouth is. So I'll be sharing all this with you, and you leverage on my 30 years of network marketing and 24 years of digital marketing knowledge and experience. I wish when I was a young man starting out, I'm 66 already. I say when I was 30, a man come along, a business mentor and coach, say that I'm going to make success made easy for you. I'm going to make it easy for you, and then you can leverage on my 100,000 investment and my 30 years of network marketing, 24 years of digital marketing knowledge experience, and the seminar could be worth $1 million to you, and your investment is a very small one-time investment of $970 in the gold mine between your years. Divide 365 days, that's $2.66 a day. And it's only available in Singapore. When it's fully launched in other countries, you have to pay double. It'll be $1,970, because it's never the price, it's the value. Now it's launched in Singapore, you get it for less than half price, $970. And if you don't even have a cent, you can still have the opportunity to attend the seminar, because I give a free affiliate 1-tier commission. That means you recommend people to me, my leaders, and they do the 25-minute presentation over a cup of coffee, and when the prospect say yes, you earn $350 affiliate commission. So you get the first tier. But if you want to earn more, you want to earn leverage income, then you commit, lead by example. Join the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar. Invest in the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar, so you experience it, you know the great value, and you can promote it confidently. And then you get the second tier, which is $100 paid on the second tier. That means if you recommended 10, you earn a good part-time income. 10 times 350 is 3,500. The 10 going to recommend 10, because like you, they want to do the same. They also want to earn the 3,500. So this is what we call duplication and multiplication. So 10 times 10, 100, you got 100 on your second level, times $100 affiliate commission. That is $10,000, your leverage income. Your own personal effort, recommending 10, you earn 3,500. But 100 people could be strangers to you, and you earn $10,000 from strangers, people that you don't know. That is the power of network marketing. But because it's only 2-tier, we can only pay so much. You want to join a good network marketing company, that will give you more leverage and more tiers of income, more level. That's why it's called multi-levels. And basically there are 3 simple steps. So success made easy for you. Just remember these 3 simple steps. First, you attend the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar, right? And if you have the money, you want to invest in it so that you enjoy 2 tiers, you get leverage income. As a free affiliate, it's only 1 tier. Then second step, you apply what you have learned. Like my grandmaster Bruce Lee said that knowing is not enough. Knowing is not enough. You must do, right? Application. So apply what you have learned. And the third step, share the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar with as many people as possible. And basically, you'll be building a team and creating a positive cash flow. So I'm giving people a great opportunity. We call it a platform. Chinese call 平台 platform, system. Chinese we call it 系统 system. And then a 团队 team, opportunity to build a team, and also networking connections, creating goodwill. So to be successful, you must help people to be successful. Got it? I'm giving you the success formula. So basically there are 3 simple steps. I repeat to you again, clarity is power. You attend the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar so you know how powerful it is, how valuable it is, and you can confidently promote it to others. And your chances are great of getting people to join, because I give a 90-day risk-free 100% money-back guarantee. Follow my step-by-step instruction for 90 days, and if you cannot earn double of what you've invested in the seminar, I'll return 100% of your money. Got it? Then second step, apply what you have learned. So whatever you have learned during the 2-day seminar, you apply it. And then the third step, you share the 2-day Create Wealth System seminar with as many people as possible, because basically we are teaching people how to fish. When you give a man a fish, you feed him only for a day. But when you teach them how to fish, they can feed themselves and their families for a lifetime and are able to help others to do the same. Isn't that wonderful? So this is my life's work. This seminar has been on my mind for many years, and I told myself I must launch it. Put away all the excuses. If you want an excuse, any excuse will do. And then just do it. So I got to practice what I preach, because I'm 66. I don't have forever, right? So the $1 million lesson is nothing is permanent. Everything is temporal, transitory, so finite. So how long can a person live, right? 80, 90, 100. A good example is Queen Elizabeth. Rest in peace. She's so wealthy, so powerful, so influential, and so well respected, but at 96 she has to go. So you must treasure the precious time you have with your loved ones and friends. And if you belong to the baby boomers group, born between 1946 and 1964, there's not many 10 years left. So you must have a sense of urgency. I have this beautiful Breitling watch. It's about more than 36 years ago. I invested over $1,000. 36 years ago, $1,000, that's a lot of money. And you see the knot, it's already spoiled. So every time I change the battery, it's like $35. So it's a beautiful watch, but like everything, nothing is permanent. You wear down, right? So life is like that. You got to treasure the precious time you have with your loved ones, prevent the preventable, and delay the inevitable. And you learn how to ride on 3 major hot trends, which is wellness, beauty, and e-commerce. So take action. Speak to the person who shared this video with you, and remember, love, learn, leverage, and live your dream. And I'll definitely see you at the top. Take care, take action, and God bless you. Bye bye.